Welcome to the Discovery Studio at Acton Leadership Academy. Designed for young learners ages 5 to 8, Discovery is our foundation studio where the basics of learning come to life. Here, we focus not only on academic skills but also on character development and community building. In Discovery, our guiding belief is that learning to be kind is as important as learning to learn. The studio is built around a unique contract that every learner signs at the beginning of the year. This contract, promising that we work hard, we are kind, we are truthful, and we have fun, serves as the blueprint for how our heroes interact and learn together. Alongside this, we have the ROEs, or Rules of Engagement, which are the guidelines our learners agree to follow daily during discussions. These Socratic Circle sessions help them develop the art of respectful conversation, critical thinking, and empathy. Academically, Discovery Studio centers on learning to learn and learning to do. Young heroes explore the natural world, build a strong reading foundation through the colorful reading drawer challenges, and develop real-world math skills using rich Montessori manipulatives. All learning and discovery happen through play and hands-on exploration. Our studio is also a place for self-awareness and emotional growth. Learners practice being slow, careful, and quiet in the studio, while understanding that outside, they can be big, loud, and fast. In fact, some of the most important learning happens outdoors, every day, through plenty of free exploration and unstructured outdoor play. Discoverers work on goal setting using personalized goal binders in areas such as math, language arts, practical life, and sensorial. Along the way, games and incentives sometimes unlock art or building projects, reinforcing that learning is a never-ending journey. Finally, our conflict resolution strategies are key to the community. At the peace table, if a conflict arises, learners invite a friend to talk it through using a simple script to express feelings and find solutions. And if emotions run high, the Calming Corner is available for self-soothing through deep breathing, yoga, or reading, with a set time to help them refocus and then rejoin the group. This is the Discovery Studio, a vibrant space where every young learner's eyes light up with the joy of discovery.